Alright, time to tear down the trans out of Tim's 62. And it is not a 1962 transmission. I will tell you that right away. It's too short. It is a 3 on the tree. Appears to be from a 48 to 53 half ton. 48 to 52 half ton, I'm sorry. It is not what came originally in the truck. This truck would have had a 3-speed top loader in 62. So we might have to revisit the old seal kit that we ordered for it. But let's get her torn down. Alright, got the shift selector cover off. Pulling out our selectors. They have a little bit of wear. Nothing crazy. It's got a little more wear than the other one. Nothing too bad. And here looks fairly decent. Synchro-wise, synchros look good. Teeth look fairly good. I think we're all right here. Just do a little clean up and reseal, and I think we're gonna be okay. Let me get the rear cover off and the front snout off, and we'll confirm. Got a little bit of wear there. Nothing too major. Definitely like the diff. It's a little on the coked up side, just from heat and lack of maintenance, but it's definitely nowhere near as bad as the diff is. Pull this tail housing off. So let's say our best bet, I'm gonna finish ripping it down, but our best bet's gonna be rebearing reseal. 49 to 54. That's what it ends up being. 3-speed.